Stick around because today I'm going to show you one of the coolest things to do in Scratch, recording your own sounds. Before we get started, if you have any questions or want me to make a video on some part of Scratch you want to learn about or you just want to say hi, please post in the comments below this video. Let's get started. In this video, we will record the two sounds we planned in the last video for the cat sprite. Start by selecting the cat sprite. Next, click on the Sounds tab. Hover over the Choose a Sound menu in the lower left of the screen. Click the record icon that looks like a microphone. If you're using Scratch on the iPad, make sure to use the Safari browser because it works best with the microphone permissions. You might get a prompt asking you to use the microphone the first time. Click the Allow button if you do. Have your lines ready that you want to record. Practice saying them a few times out loud before you record. This will help you say it smoother. When you are ready to record, click the red circle button labeled Record. Then speak clearly in the voice you want to use. When you're done, click the red square button to stop recording.
Hey, you look tasty. What's your name?
At this point, you can play the sound to see if you like it. If you want to make changes, click the re-record button to record again. If you see that thin purple line at the beginning of the recording and at the end, this is silence. You might want to remove some of the silence so when your sound is played, you can hear it right away rather than waiting for the silence. You can adjust the red lines to crop out the silence if you wish to remove some. Play your sound, and if you like what you recorded, click the blue Save button. Now we need to name our sound to match the names we created in our sound list in the previous video of this series. The name we gave was S1C1 for Scene 1 Cat 1 sound. Repeat the recording process for the second sound. Remember, if you have questions or get stuck, post a question in the comments below and I will respond with an answer. Click here to watch the next video in this series. I will show you how to collaborate with your friends by sharing and remixing projects. We will record the sounds for the bird in our play in a different Scratch account, and I will show you step by step how you can combine that project with yours. A link to the next video in this series is also available in the description of this video.